Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 31 from the H.C. Verma Concepts of Physics 1 book, chapter number 2, Physics and Mathematics. According to the question, a meter scale is graduated at every millimeter. How many significant digits will be there in a length measurement with this scale? We have to find out the number of significant digits which will be there in a measurement from this scale. The length of the scale is 1 meter. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So therefore, when we are making measurements like 2 mm, 3 mm, etc., in that case, number of significant digits would be equal to 1. So this is the minimum number of digits, minimum number of significant digits. And when we are making measurements like 1000 mm, then the maximum number of significant digits would be 4, because we can write it like this, 1000 dot. So how many significant digits are there? 4. I have written down some of the rules of significant digits. Let's revise those rules. According to the first rule, all the known zero numbers are significant. For example, 44.1 has 3 significant figures, because 4, 4 and 1, there are 3 known zero numbers, so therefore it will have 3 significant figures. Zeros between 2 known zero digits are significant. For example, in this number, 0 is between 6 and 2, so therefore this 0 will be a significant figure. So therefore this number 6024 will have 4 significant figures. Leading zeros are not significant. What is leading zeros? Leading zero, for example, this 0 in the number 0.39, 0.39, in this number starts with this 0. So when a number starts with 0, that 0 is called leading 0. So in this number 0.39, it will have only 2 significant figures, because leading zeros are not significant. So therefore 0, let's take another example like 0.0046. In this there are 2 significant figures, because all the 3 zeros are leading zeros. The number is starting from all these 3 zeros. So therefore it will have only 2 significant digits, that is 4 and 6. In the fourth point, trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. Now what is trailing zero? Trailing zeros are the zeros with which the number ends. For example, in this 75.00, the number ends with 2 zeros. So according to the rule, trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. Now these 2 zeros are to the right of the decimal point, 75 point, now the 2 zeros come. So therefore these 2 zeros will be significant, and therefore the number will have 4 significant figures. 86.00 is different from 86. Now let us see what is the difference between 86.00 and 86. Now, for example, there is an engineer who measures 86.00 milliliters. It means that he knows his value. The values he can measure would be up to 1/100th of a milliliter. That means he can also measure 86.12, 86.34, 86.75. These type of accurate measurements he can also do. But suppose your friend measures 86 milliliters only. It means that your friend can only measure the quantities in nearest to 1 milliliter. For example, he can measure 86 milliliter, he can measure 87 milliliter, he can measure 88 milliliters, but he cannot measure 86.1 milliliters. That 0.1 is even more accurate, which that engineer can measure but his friend cannot measure. So therefore this 86.00 is very important. These two zeros are very important when you are representing a number, when you are writing a number. Let's see another point. The fifth point says trailing zero is a whole number with the decimal shown are significant. देखो, trailing zero in a whole number. For example, suppose 630 is the whole number. So in this, the trailing zero with the decimal shown, there is a decimal shown in this number. So if the decimal is shown in this, so therefore this zero in the whole number will also be counted as a significant number, significant figure. So therefore this number 630 dot has 3 significant figures. Next point, trailing zeros in a whole number with no decimal are not significant. Now if I only write 670, I don't write 670 dot. If I only write 670, then this zero will not be significant. It will only have 2 significant figures, that is 6 and 7. So if we have a dot at the end of a whole number, then the zero would be counting, the trailing zero would be counted as significant figure. If the whole number does not have a dot at the end, then the trailing zero will not be counted in the significant figures. Next point, seventh point, exact numbers have an infinite number of significant figures. Now let us explain this rule. Let me explain this. This rule applies to the numbers that are definitions. For example, 1 meter is equal to 1.00 meters. It can also be written as 1.0000 meters. It can also be written as 1.00000 and infinite meters, infinite 0 meters. So therefore all these zeros will be counted as significant figures because they are after the decimal. And according to this rule, fourth rule, trailing zeros to the right of the decimal as significant. So therefore all the zeros to the right are significant. So 1 meter can also be written with like 1 meter. This 1 meter has only one significant figure. 1.00 meters has 3 significant figures. 1.0000 meters have 5 significant figures, and so on. We can write an exact number with infinite number of significant figures. Eighth point, for a number in scientific notation n into 10 to the power x, all the digits comprising n are significant by first 6 rules. 10 and x are not significant. These 10 n into 10 to the power x likha hua, so this 10 and x, they are not significant. For example, 8.03 into 10 to the power 4 has 3 significant figures. In this 8, 0 and 3, these are the 3 significant figures. 10 and 4 are not significant figures. Rule 8 provides the opportunity to change the number of significant figures in a value by manipulating its form. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, मेरे पास अगर कोई एक नंबर गिवन है, फॉर एग्जांपल 2200 एक नंबर गिवन है, इसके अंदर अभी लेट्स ट्राई राइटिंग 2200 विथ 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. अब देखो 2200 जैसे मैंने लिखा हुआ है, इट हैज़ ओनली 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, 2 and 2. द ट्रेलिंग जीरोज आर नॉट सिग्निफिकेंट. If I write it with a dot, then these 2 zeros will also become significant figures. So I will have 4 significant figures. But if I have to write this number 2200 with 3 significant figures, I will use this scientific notation, n into 10 to the power x. How will I use it? I will write it as 2.20 into 10 to the power 3. Now this 2, 2 and 0, all the 3 are significant figures. So now my number has 3 significant figures. So that's how these are the rules of significant figures, and that's how we find out the number of significant figures. So according to this rule, if I write trailing 0 in a whole number, fifth rule, trailing 0 in a whole number with a decimal, the are significant. So I am writing 1000.mm. So I have written down a dot at the end of 1000. So I would count this as all the zeros in this would be significant. So therefore this number will have 4 significant figures. So this meter scale can have minimum number of significant digits as 1 and maximum number of significant digits this scale can measure will be 4. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.